there, it's Hannah with WTI.
I love the ambiance that a candle gives to a home, and this candle by Calla Collections is no exception. It says warm hugs on it, so it's very versatile whether you want to have it in your own home or give it as a gift to a friend for any occasion. It smells so good. It has like a really nice fresh smell to it. It's lavender and lemongrass, and it is 100% soy. It's in a really nice box, so if you're giving it as a gift, you have a nice box that you can wrap, or you can put it in a gift basket like I did. I made a little comfort basket for a friend of mine. It had some wine, pajamas, chocolate, but what's a comfort basket without a nice candle to have some ambiance and just make you feel nice and cozy? I really like the simplistic design of this because it matches any kind of decor. So whether you're giving it as a gift and you don't know, or you can put it anywhere in your house. This is after 11 hours worth of burn time, and here it is brand new. So you can see the difference. So when it says a 75-hour burn time, it definitely will last that long.
And that's my point of view.